So sweet. Like, doesn't stop.
Oh, don't shake, don't shake, don't shake. Takes forever to process a night shot.
Video.
Whoa, Jared, look at this.
Wow, that looks sweet. I wish I had flash.
I'm gonna take a video. It's too hot. We're gonna. Excuse me.
That's not a good storm.
What?
Whoever's getting that, sucks. That's so far away you can't even hear the thunder. Continuous lightning. This is new.
You've never seen it before?
I've never seen this. This is really cool. Put this on YouTube.
I only did 34 seconds. I'm gonna take another picture. That was so sweet.